Setting a reminder alarm on iOS 26.2 is one of the easiest ways to make sure you don't forget important tasks. But if you've never used the Reminders app in detail, it might not be immediately obvious how to add an alert with proper timing. Many people create reminders but miss the step where you actually assign a date and time, which is what triggers the alarm notification. Without that, the reminder just sits there silently. The good thing is that iOS gives you flexible control over how and when you want to be notified, whether it's for daily tasks, specific events, or one time alerts. Once you understand where the time and alert options are, setting a reminder alarm becomes quick and reliable, helping you stay organized without missing anything important. Try these. Step 1. Open the Reminders app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap New Reminder or the plus button to create a task. Step 3. Enter the title of your reminder. Step 4. Tap on Date and Time and turn it on. Step 5. Set your desired date and exact time for the alarm. Step 6. Tap Done to save and activate the reminder alert.